Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sonik coin. Now the Sonik coin is in the midst of their pre-sale right now. It is spelled S-O-N-I-K. This is a brand new token here. And, there's been other tokens in the past with the name Sonik. I believe there might even have been a Sonik 2.0, things like that. But this is not those tokens. This is a very, very brand new token with the web page Sonik, S-O-N-I-K, coin.com. So we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get involved in the pre-sale if you like here in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, they have a couple socials. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here, or their X, whatever you want to call it. It is at Sonik Coin, and of course Sonik is spelled with a K, so that's their Twitter, and their Telegram at Sonik Coin, same thing. It's real easy to find both of those. So yeah, their Twitter will be up right here. 24 followers on their Telegram so far. Embracing the meme magic in the crypto world. The quick Sonik Gate Telegram portal. So if you want to join that, you can, or you can check out their Twitter there. They have a contact email, gotta go fast at soniccoin.com. Every time I say Sonik 2, just assume that it is spelled with a K instead of a C. Now, if you go to their webpage, soniccoin.com, there's a buy now button right in the top right hand corner. And there is all the pre-sale information right on the page as soon as you open it up. You can't miss it. And it says how much USDT they've raised so far. So you can connect your wallet using, your MetaMask wallet or your Trust wallet, whatever wallet you use. You can connect it to the page here, and you can either buy this token with Ethereum or USDT. And it tells you how much each Sonik coin is worth. So right now it is 0.000014 USDT. So as the pre-sale continues, I believe it'll go up to a higher price, but I'll have to verify that in a second here. And they talk about how much USDT they've raised so far. So far they've raised 14,688 USDT. So they're doing pretty well. That's like 14,600 US dollars. But their goal here is 2,098,547 USDT. So they got a long way to go. So you're very early on this token. Now they have a dashboard here for staking. So eventually you'll be able to stake this token. They also have a full white paper PDF that you can click on right on their webpage. It's an 8-page white paper, and it's going to tell you all the info about this token here. It's got the roadmap. It's got the tokenomics. Got the disclaimer, of course, because crypto, like I said, is volatile and very risky, so be aware of that. So the Sonik white paper, zooming to success at supersonic speed. It says, welcome to the world of Sonik, the crypto meme token that's as quick as lightning and could take you from 0 to 100 million market cap faster than you can say Hedgehog. So Sonik is not your average meme coin. Nope. This little guy is speedy, a zooming whirlwind that leaves others in the dust. Some say it's a hedgehog, and who are we to disagree? But let's be honest, Sonik token could have some special needs too, right? Nobody's perfect, it says. But when it comes to speed, Sonik doesn't mess around. He is fast and not afraid to show it. With each transaction, Sonik zips and zooms, creating a trail of excitement in his wake. Whether you're buying, selling, or just holding on for the ride, the Sonik token will keep you on your toes and your adrenaline pumping. So this is very much a meme token. It doesn't seem like they're talking about a lot of use cases and utilities here. It says, we've assembled a team of crypto enthusiasts who believe in the power of memes and the thrill of the crypto market. Together, we're fueling the Sonik rocket to take off and reach the stars. We know the meme culture is wild and untamed, and that's exactly what Sonik embodies, the spirit of spontaneity and limitless possibilities. So if you're ready to join the fastest ride of your life, buckle up and hop on the Sonik train. With every move he makes, you'll witness a magic of memes meeting crypto in a heart-pounding fusion. And who knows, you might just become part of meme history as we sprint full steam ahead towards your ambitious target of $100 million market cap. Get ready, because Sonik is here to shake things up, and we're leaving a trail of memes and mayhem in our wake. Come take a ride and join the meme coin game with Sonik. So, I mean, that's basically it. Now, they have a roadmap on here. Maybe there's some utilities in this roadmap. We'll see. Probably, I'm going to guess probably not. Oh, there's staking. There's definitely staking. So phase 1 is going to be unleash the magic with concept art. Bring Sonik to life with amazing artwork. Token deployed. Sonik enters the crypto sphere on Ethereum. So this is an Ethereum token. Fair pre-sale. So that's where we're at right now. Everything's at the starting blocks on time. And then staking. You'll be able to stake Sonik and earn rewards. Phase 2 is going to be preparing for the official launch. Then the Sonik token will go over to Uniswap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there. Then it says soar through the markets and then collect your rewards from staking. Phase 3, building up the community, pushing boundaries, and then 100 million market cap. So very much a meme token. There seems to be little to no utility besides staking. Total token supply, it's an odd number here, 299,792,458,000 tokens. And pre-sale, like I said, is going to be a little bit over $2 million they're looking to raise. And it says special price of 0.00014 cents. And yeah, so how the token's split up, 50% goes to pre-sale, 40% staking, 10% DEX liquidity. And that's basically about it. I'm not sure if the pre-sale is going to go up in increments or not, or it's just going to stay at that price. But basically, the pre-sale is going to continue until they reach that $2,098,000 total. And then I'm sure they'll, after that, then they'll go over to Uniswap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.